Hey everybody, I've got another pocket letter for you today. So this is for my Facebook group, and it's like a beginner's pocket letter. That's the category. So I got my partner and I asked what kind of pocket letter you would like, and she said she likes Rockabilly, which I had to Google because I never heard it before. So it's 50s style clothing in rock and roll. So it's like 1950s rock and roll. So the hair, the clothes, the vehicles, the music, that's the styles that she likes. So, well, of course I don't see much of that because where I live it's not around, right? There's nobody that dresses like that. So it's not a known thing here. So, yeah. So I found this cool tape. It has guitars and CDs and tapes on it. And found this cool poster. And it's like women power, tattoos, stars, skulls, motorcycles, hot rods. So yeah, the clothes are actually really cool. Cool style. It's not something I personally would wear, but yeah, it's very cool clothing. Nice big hair, all perfect, So I found all these pictures I just googled Rockabilly, and yeah, these are all the pictures I found. That's a cool dress. So yeah, so that's what she said she liked, so I'm gonna make a pocket letter for what she likes. So that's the front. And so far on the back, I got these cool, because it's skulls too, so I've got these cool skull die cuts. So I've kind of cleared here. There's like orangey red here, and there's a black one. So I got two of each. And I got these magnets at a Comic-Con. So it's Wonder Woman and Catwoman, Harley Quinn, and Poison Ivy. I remembered these when I started looking at the pictures on Google. I'm like, oh, I got those magnets. I can give those to her. So yeah, and then I found, rock and roll and this cool skull bracelet I bought for her. And then I got these cool charms for a charms bracelet, because usually everybody has one of those. A lot of people have those. So it's a black and pink flower one, and that is like a swirl. It's just got a swirl on it, and it's like a lock charm. So it goes on the end. So when you take your bracelet off, your beads don't fall off. And then found these cool. I bought these cool star earrings for her. They're all crystally. They're really pretty. So yeah, that's what I have so far. So glad I remembered how to do these magnets, because she'll like them. Hopefully she likes them. So good. Yeah, so this is what I got so far. So yeah, so Rockabilly. Just Google it. And then just put it in Google and then click images, and you get all these images of dresses and cool hairstyles and things like that. So I added, I made these little flowers. So I added a little flower right there, and I added a little flower right there, and I added a little flower right there. Can't add, I had to put some tape here because they were puffing up a little farther. So yeah, so I had those 3 little flowers, and I was gonna add more images, but since the pocket letter opens this way, I didn't want to accidentally stick it down so she can't get it open. So yeah, I just added those 3 flowers there. And then the back, I found images of dresses. These are the style of clothing for Rockabilly. Isn't that cool? I love this cherry dress. So, and I added some stars, and I added some more flowers that I made, because I have die-cut flowers. Yeah, so I had the flowers and the dresses, kind of make it collagey. And then I made a flower right here. I got some extras one here. So I made flowers like this, using die cuts. And I included one right there. And then I found this cool image online, and this is what I'm going to use to put my letter on. So yeah, I used the rock and roll tape, and I'm going to write my note there to my pocket letter person. So yeah, that's where I'm going to put my letter, and then I'm going to include this with my pocket letter. So yeah, so that is my Rockabilly pocket letter. Later.